We are demanding real accountability at hindi optics. Lately, because blown out of proportion na ang corruption. Tayo yata ang mali dito. The mindset is wrong. Ang bayan ay parang household. Tayo ang amo, tayo ang lumalabas para kumayod at magbigay ng pera sa mga house help to manage our house operations, making sure walang leak ang plumbing, laging may pagkain, namamalengke at bayad ang lahat ng bills. Sa bayan, tayong taxpayers ang bumubuhay sa bansa. Public servants are employed to manage the hard-earned money and provide excellence and not just pwede na yan. Let us change our mindset. Account the public servants to higher standards and real excellence and not just optics. Ang kapalit ng bawat hulog sa SSS at PhilHealth ay dugot pawis ng milyong-milyong Pilipino. The least government can give in return is not another marketing campaign, but real, verifiable, inescapable transparency.